Two earnings beats today, one from steel, one from banking. Steel Dynamics crushed expectations on record shipments and wider spreads. Zions topped estimates despite a one-time fraud charge. Both stocks moved higher. Here's what you need to know. Steel Dynamics beat on both lines. Earnings per share came in 10 cents above consensus at $2.74. Revenue cleared expectations too, landing at $4.8 billion. The company shipped a record 3.6 million tons this quarter. More importantly, metal spreads widened. Scrap costs dropped faster than steel prices, and that's pure margin expansion. Demand stayed solid across non-residential construction, auto, energy, and industrial segments. Adjusted EBITDA jumped to $664 million, up 24% from last quarter. Steel Dynamics bought back $210 million in stock during Q3 and kept paying dividends. Q4 maintenance will trim flat-rolled output by about 85,000 tons. Nothing dramatic. The aluminum business is ramping up. They've qualified material for industrial, beverage cans, and automotive applications. Shares are up modestly today. Track the steel to scrap spread. That's your margin indicator. Also watch the Q4 maintenance impact and any new aluminum customer wins. Zions beat expectations with earnings of $1.48 per share, a couple cents above the street. Net interest income, their main revenue driver, climbed 8% year over year to $672 million. Net interest margin expanded to 3.28%, up 25 basis points year over year. They're earning more on loans relative to what they pay depositors. Zions took a $50 million charge-off tied to two loans under alleged fraud and added another $10 million to reserves, pushing total provision expense to around $49 million. The market expected it, so no panic. Underneath that noise, pre-provision net revenue climbed 14% year over year. Strong core earnings power. They're pursuing recovery through a lawsuit targeting more than $60 million. No specific forward guidance on EPS or net interest income in the release. Shares jumped about 3% after hours. Investors liked the beat and appreciated clarity on the fraud situation. Watch credit quality, any new charge-offs? Also watch deposit costs and the path of NIM as the Fed potentially shifts rates. Both companies delivered where it counts, earnings and clarity. Steel Dynamics is riding margin expansion from favorable input costs. Zions is growing interest income despite a one-time credit hit. As rates and industrial demand shift, these names give you two lenses on the real economy. One in manufacturing, one in lending. That's your update.